All winter they stayed up in the mountains in these huts with the animals, making cheese, you know, like whatever they do with animals, right? And these are the remnants of some of the old huts that they never went, because in those days they had no motor transport, you know, so going down the hill took a long time, and they couldn't afford to leave the animals on their own. I asked him, what is he going to do with the one that's ill to get rid of his diarrhea? He says he's going to give it a Coca-Cola, which will stop the diarrhea.
Yes. Bon appetit.
This is a great place to raise children. Clean air, good food. There's no pedophile or drug dealer around the corner. So.
Well, there's none that you know of.
Yeah.
But it was empty, and it was just a strong, this one has a velvet flavor. You can drink it because this is the flavor of Cretan wine.
We went to the temple first.
The temple to sort of worship or pray?
Yeah, just sort of ask for advice on how far down to
And
go.
what did the temple say?
They said, go back here and have a drink first.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Nice railing, eh? Holy shit. Yeah, you don't even need a jail here. Somebody commits a crime, you get him to go 3 times up and down this gorge.
Mostly it is to share your happiness.
If you're really happy with your wife, should you share your wife too? No, I mean, I'm just asking, I don't know. So you're happy with your wife?
No.
Can I share you for the afternoon? Just like that? No? No.
As you see,
I'm just wondering, I just want to know how far this happiness goes. So it's a nickname for Santa Claus and for Satan. Είναι παρατσούκλι και για το... More spinach. God, this is messy. You know what I'm amazed at is that I haven't dirtied my shirt yet. And I didn't change. I kept put on my best shirt.
I don't want to rain on your parade.
Oh fuck, where? Oh, mother.